Good morning students. Today we will read the remaining half chapter in science. Let's start our class students. Exercise. Along with balanced diet, regular exercise is very important for good health. Exercise help us to develop, tone up our muscles. अच्छी बैलेंस्ड डाइट लेने के साथ साथ हमें एक्सरसाइज करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Our muscles become weak and flabby if they are not used for a long time. Exercise increases the flow of blood to the muscles. It also increases the circulations of blood and heartbeat rate. During exercise, more blood is carried to the heart. Our breathing becomes deeper. Air is pumped in and out our lungs faster. As a result, more oxygen is taken in and more carbon dioxide and water are given out by our body. Thus, exercise helps the blood vessels, lungs and heart to work well. Exercise also helps the nervous system by supplying extra blood to the brain. So, we must to do proper exercise regularly. Taking part in sports is an enjoyable way to do exercise. Games are good for fitness of our body and mind. Now we will read about proper rest and sleep. हमारी बॉडी के लिए रेस्ट और स्लीप कितना ज़रूरी है. When we take rest or sleep, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow down. As sound sleep gives our body much needed rest. After a good sleep, we feel fresh and ready to work again. During the hours of sleep, we breathe more slowly and our heart also becomes slowly. This means that all the parts of our body are getting lots of rest. These cells of the body recover from the work of all the day and build up energy for the next period of activity. Thus, regular and proper hours of rest and sleep increase our efficiency and strength to work. Now we will read about deficiency diseases. If we do not eat all kinds of food, our body may become deficient of one or more nutrients. अगर हम अपने भोजन में पूरी तरह से न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं लेते हैं, जिसकी कमी से हमें डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस हो सकती हैं. दिस में कॉजेज सम डिसीजेस. द डिसीजेस विच आर कॉज्ड बाय द लैक ऑफ nutrients in our body are called deficiency diseases. These diseases are non-communicable, which cannot pass from one person to another. Some deficiency diseases are discussed below. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency diseases. प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की कमी से हमें कौन सी डिसीजेज हो सकती हैं? This disease is generally found in small children between the age of 6 months to 3 years. ये बीमारी जो है अधिकतर बच्चों में पाई जाती है जो 6 month और 3 years में होते हैं. This occurs because of deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates in diet. अगर उनकी डाइट में प्रोटीन्स और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ना हों. Due to these diseases, the children does not grow and is thinner than other healthy children of the same age. इस बीमारी में बच्चे जो हैं बहुत ही पतले हो जाते हैं और उनकी जो ग्रोथ होती है वो अच्छी नहीं हो सकती है अपनी सेम एज के बच्चों के साथ. The skin of child cracks and become swell. The child is not active, looks dull and lazy. Sometimes the child may have sign of swelling all over body. The child gets these diseases when the mother stops breastfeeding the child and does not give sufficient food containing proteins and carbohydrates. Deficiency diseases are also caused by lack of vitamin and minerals in the diet. Some of these diseases are discussed below. Deficiency of vitamin A. Some children do not see the objects clearly in the dim light और इन द डार्क. कुछ बच्चों को कम रोशनी में या डार्कनेस में दिखाई नहीं देता है. दे मे सफ़र फ्रॉम द डिसीजेज कॉल्ड नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. दिस डिसीज इज कॉज बाय द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए इन आवर फूड. ये बीमारी जो है हमारे फूड में विटामिन ए की कमी के कारण होती है. To prevent this diseases, we should eat plenty of green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, milk, yellow pumpkin, cod liver oil, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B. विटामिन बी की कमी से हमें कौन सी बीमारी हो सकती है? The deficiency of vitamin B causes a disease called beriberi. The symptoms of these diseases are loss of weight and appetite, growth, headache, and weakness. To prevent these diseases, we should eat good items rich in vitamin B such as meat, liver, brown bread, groundnuts, pineapple, peas, rajma, etc. Deficiency of vitamin C. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. The symptoms of these diseases are bleeding of the gums and swelling of joints. To prevent these diseases, we should eat food rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruit, amla, lemons, grapes, green leafy vegetable, etc. Deficiency of vitamin D. विटामिन डी किससे हमें कौन सी बीमारी हो सकती है? The deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. A child suffering from rickets has soft bones. The bones become deformed and fractures easily. The diseases can be cured by taking food rich in vitamin D, such as milk, eggs, cheese, fish, etc. Sunlight is a natural source of this vitamin D. Calcium and phosphorus make our bones and teeth hard and strong. Milk and milk products are main source of calcium. Deficiency of iron. The deficiency of iron our body causes anemia. In anemia, the hemoglobin in the body become low. Therefore, the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood decreases. The child suffering from anemia has pale and tired look. He has colorless lips and pale, flat nails. It can be cured by taking food rich iron such as apple, banana, brinjal, pulses, meat, liver, and jelly. Deficiency of iodine. Deficiency of iodine in the body causes goiter. This causes swelling of a gland in the neck region. Goiter can be prevented by using iodized salt in the food. Seafood is also rich in iodine. Good food practices. We must adopt the following food practices in order to keep our body healthy. Use potted grains as breakfast snack. Eat missi roti. Eat mixed vegetables, khichdi and mixed cereals. Take fermented foods such as idli, dokla, etc. These are easily digested. For making curry, use water left after boiling vegetables. Do not overcook the food. Dear students, I hope you all get it well. Thank you, students.